Welcome to the HTML series where we learn something new about HTML. Let's go. HTML has a good amount of attributes, but today we are going to discuss about HTML's class attribute. The HTML class attribute is used to specify a class for an HTML element. You can make a block or you can apply the attribute without making a block. A block in HTML allows you to bundle up things. Let me show you how. To do this, we make use of a tag called div tag. Now here you can just drag and drop. You can just type the things over here inside a div tag, and now this p tag and the image tag is now bundled up together. This whole is called a block. To make use of the class attribute, you just type in class and then you give a name for your class. Yes. Now here I have just made a block with a class whose name is test. Exactly how we have classes in our schools and colleges, we can categorize HTML element in classes too. The class attribute is often used to point to class name in a CSS style sheet, or it can also be used by JavaScript to access and manipulate elements with the specific class name. Point to be noted that a class name is case sensitive. That is, the capital letters and small letters matters. You can use the same class name with different elements. Suppose I can just create a div tag and then I can name the class. I can just put this element too in the class, in the same class as we have this test. Now here, if I just write some CSS code, so here if I type in dot test dot and the class name test, then I can just suppose I want to change the color, p tag, and as well as image tag. So I can just type in color and suppose aqua, for example aqua. Because we have specified both all these elements in the same class, the changes are happening to both these classes. You can see the sentences color is now aqua color. So the class attribute can be used on any HTML attribute. It is not compulsory that you use class attribute in only div tag. It is up to you that you use class attribute with a div tag or alone like this. You can use class attribute. Here I'm using class attribute. Suppose this is my p tag, so I'm just typing in p. So here this p tag is in a class called p. So when I just change this stuff in my style sheet, you will see that only the p tag with the class name p is changed to the color aqua. So the class attribute can be used on any HTML element. So this is it for today, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.